Hey there, digital adventurers. Welcome to Digital Wealth Unlocked, your compass to navigating the world of digital marketing and discovering the potential to unlock wealth through these powerful strategies. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of digital marketing. Let's start by understanding what digital marketing is. In today's interconnected world, it's the art of reaching, engaging, and converting audiences using online platforms. From social media to search engines, digital marketing is how businesses and individuals connect with their audiences in the digital landscape. But here's the thrilling part. Digital marketing isn't just about reaching people. It's about creating opportunities for wealth. Imagine your laptop or smartphone as a portal to unlimited possibilities. Digital marketing empowers you to transform your passions, skills, and expertise into income streams. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or freelancer, digital marketing opens doors to diverse income sources. So, how can you unlock wealth through digital marketing? Let's explore the pathways. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products you believe in and earning a commission for each sale, you can create a passive income stream. E-commerce. Launch an online store, showcase your unique products, and tap into a global market. Content creation. Whether it's blogging, videos, or podcasts, your valuable content can attract a dedicated audience and opportunities for monetization. Consulting and services. Leverage your expertise by offering consulting services, from digital marketing to business growth strategies. One of the greatest advantages of digital marketing is its ability to reach a global audience with minimal barriers. Through targeted ads, engaging content, and social media interactions, you can connect with people from all corners of the world. Now, you might be wondering, how do I begin? The journey starts with learning. Keep watching our upcoming videos to learn more about how you can make money online. We'll help you understand different ways to create wealth in the digital world. Stay tuned to Digital Wealth Unlocked for more insights, tips, and success stories. Remember, the digital landscape is yours to conquer. Thanks for joining me on this journey.